Thank you very much, Joachim. I'm Chen. I'm now an academician and distinguished research fellow in Genomic Research Center, Academia in Taiwan. I was graduate from the Johns Hopkins University, and I also carry out research, molecular epidemiological research in Columbia University based on Fogarty Research Fellowship. And after that, I returned to Taiwan and become the faculty member of the College of Medicine and Public Health in National Taiwan University. I became the director of Graduate Institute of Public Health and founding director of Graduate Institute of Epidemiology in National Taiwan University. Then I became the Dean of College of Public Health. After I moved to Academician as a distinguished research fellow, I was appointed as the vice president of Academician. And my research interest is on the molecular and genomic epidemiology. I have carried out three major research topics. The first one is the multiple health hazards of long-term exposure to arsenic in drinking water. We use Taiwan data to do this environmental risk assessment. According to our finding, we arouse the global awareness of the largest environmental catastrophe, that's the arsenic poisoning in drinking water. Then, World Health Organization, US EPA, and EU countries adopted our data to decrease the maximum contamination level of arsenic in drinking water. And we also carry out a molecular epidemiological study to identify the genetic and acquired susceptibility to arsenic poisoning. The second topic we engaged in is the natural history and liver cancer risk prediction of chronic hepatitis B and C, which are very prevalent in Taiwan. We identified several risk predictors of HCC and derived the risk calculators for the chronic hepatitis B patient. And these studies lead to the viral load paradigm for clinical management of viral hepatitis. And in Taiwan, we started the very first national hepatitis B vaccination program and national antiviral therapy program for chronic hepatitis B and C. And we have very good results to reduce HCC mortality and incidence. World Health Organization announced the viral hepatitis elimination program in 2015 after we published the data of this national program. And the third part of my research is on the molecular and genomic biomarkers of biological agent-related cancers. We look at the skin-environmental interaction. These are for the nasopharyngeal carcinoma, which is so-called Chinese cancer, because Chinese have very high incidence. And we found that Epstein-Barr virus is related to the NPC. And we developed different serial markers for the screening, diagnosis, and prognosis of NPC. We also examined the causal relationship between the Helicobacter pylori and stomach cancer. Our findings have led to the international clinical guideline for antibiotic treatment to lower stomach cancer incidence and mortality. And the third cancer is the cervical cancer and multiple types of human papilloma virus. And HPV vaccination and screening were found to have a very high efficacy to prevent the cervical cancer. And last but not least, I also served some public role when there was a SARS epidemic in Taiwan. I was appointed as a Minister of Health, and we reformed the epidemic prevention system in Taiwan. And then I became the Minister of Science and Technology. In addition to promotion of basic research, I also upgraded the science park for knowledge-based industry, including semiconductor industry. And then I was elected as a vice president. During that period of time, I was engaged to assist our president in healthcare and biopharmaceutical industry, green energy, and zero carbon roadmap, as well as the COVID-19 containment. And this slide shows that in 2020 and 2022, Taiwan has very good COVID-19 containment. With that, I would like to thank you very much for selecting me as an academician, and I would like to work with you in the future. Thank you very much.
Well, CJ, you have stepped right in. You have organized a major conference already last year. You have joined the council, and you have organized a session today with a colleague. So thank you for your commitment, and we look forward to work with you. Thank you.
Thank you.